25th National Urdu Book Fair, date January 3rd, 2023 to January 11, 2023. It's a great pleasure to inform that the 25th Urdu National Book Fair is being held at Islamia College Autonomous, Wanembadi, under the auspices of the National Council for Promotion of Urdu Language, New Delhi, in collaboration with the Wanembadi Muslim Educational Society. Nearly 100 famous Urdu book publishers are participating in this national book fair to showcase and sell their books at discounted prices. Various academic, literary, and cultural programs will also be held during this 9-day event. There will be academic and literary competitions for the students, and prizes and certificates will be presented to the successful students. All of you are requested to visit the book fair and use this golden opportunity to purchase your favorite books and at discounted prices. You are also requested to attend the various cultural and literary programs during this 9-day event. Wanembadi Muslim Educational Society.